To easily use certain shooting mode with custom camera widget in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra with Android 14, while you are in your home screen, long tap on an empty area to go to the home screen edit screen. Tap widget icon at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down the widget screen until you find camera. Tap camera. Now tap the custom camera widget. As a note, this widget is available if you have updated your phone to Android 14. Next, tap Add button. You will be directed to the screen where you can do some customization for this widget. First, you can change the widget title. To do so, tap title on widget. Erase the current title. And then type the proper title for this widget for easier access and identification. As the example, we will give this widget name Food Shoot, since we will set this widget to use food as its shooting mode. And then tap Save button. The next setting, you can choose the camera and shooting mode. To do so, tap Starting mode. Select the camera and shooting mode to start in when you tap the custom camera widget. As the example, we will select rear camera and food as the shooting mode. Tap the back button to go back to the widget setting screen. Next, you can choose the album you like your phone to save photos or videos taken with this widget. To do so, tap Save Pictures and Videos to. You can either select one of your albums or create a new one. As the example, we will create a new album named Food Shoot. Tap Create at the top right. Type the album name and then tap Create. Now select the album you have just created. The last setting, you can choose the widget background. To do so, tap Widget Background. Here you will have two options. Select Use Most Recent Image in the selected album. If you like to use the most recent image in the album you have set before to save the photos or videos taken with this widget, or select an image to choose an image from your gallery. As the example, we will choose select an image. Now select the desired image to be used as the widget background. Once done customizing the widget, tap Save button to add the widget to your home screen. To see how it works, tap the widget. You can see that it opens camera app with the camera automatically set to rear camera and shooting mode set to food. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.